Hi everyone, welcome to Tuesday Tutorials. Today the pose is Trikayaka Katti Chakrasana. This is really good for anyone looking to lose weight or anyone with back pain. And please, if anyone has any ankle injury or has done any surgery in your abdomen recently, maybe not try this. And in the beginning I will show you how it's done, and secondly I will show you how you should not do it, right? So my friend will be guiding us. Come into Tadasana. So it's ideal on the yoga mat if you go to the left side because you'll be moving towards your right. And it's really good to stay in the line, as I always kind of advise, so that you know you're straight, right? Okay, so you're going to come into Tadasana, that's mountain pose. You're going to pick a point in front. Think about those benefits. You're going to inhale, right foot to your right side, right? See, her toes are pointed inward in front, not inward, in front, right? Then you're going to inhale, hands all the way up, and interlace and pull them up. So when you're pulling them up, you're going to keep elongating your spine and your sides, right? Then you're going to inhale, exhale and turn to your right side. See how she moved both feet, and see how she moved both her shoulders facing that side. Then you're going to keep pulling up again. Inhale, exhale, you're going to bend forward but 90 degrees to the floor. So you're going to bend a little more, that's it, and she's going to gaze towards the middle finger. Either of the hands, no problem, but towards the middle finger. Then make sure that your knees are tightened and then they're not bent, and then you're going to focus on that middle finger and hold the pose. And make sure that you breathe normally, and then when you're coming out, you're going to inhale, breath all the way up, still looking at that side. Don't suddenly turn to the center. Then exhale, now to the center with both feet. Then again inhale, you stay there. Exhale, hands gracefully down. That's it. And bend your right knee, bring it to your left. Then you're going to place your hands apart, feet apart, and you're going to deep breathe. Right? Now because we didn't do the other side, you technically should not be doing the breathing. You should go to the other side. But now I'm going to show you what you should not do on the other side. So can you come here, and we'll go that side. So again Tadasana, right? Then you're going to keep your left foot on the left side and her toes are towards you. Then inhale, hands up, that's it, and exhale, we're going to turn to our left. But see her feet, one of it, the right one, is still pointing toward the center. And when you do that, your shoulders are kind of not turned completely to the side that you're moving. So that should not happen. You can injure yourself and your bend is not going to be the best and you're not going to get the benefit. So make sure that we correct our foot, that's it, and see how the shoulders are both turned that side. Then you bend, your bend is going to be perfect. See, perfect, 90 degrees, and her knees are straightened. And when you're coming out, you're going to inhale, don't suddenly turn to the center, you'll be looking there. And then exhale to the center, inhale, hands, exhale, go all the way down gracefully and bend your left leg and, left leg and come to your right side. So hands apart, feet apart, and please make sure you do the breathing after each pose because that can protect you from injuries and also it can balance your energies. So if you have any questions, please comment below. Thank you for watching the video. I will see you next week. Bye for now.